Let's see how to insert a table quickly in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, we can insert a table by clicking on the Insert tab and clicking on Table and click on Insert Table. And here, you can adjust the number of columns, the number of rows, and you can also change the auto-fit behavior if you want to automatically fit the contents of that table, or if you want to fit your table into the window. Now, although this might be more specific and could make it easier for you to format your table before it gets created, this may take some time, especially if you're very meticulous with your table formatting. However, if you simply want to insert a table that only has the number of rows and the number of columns, you can simply click on the table dropdown and draw your table right here. So as you move your cursor along the horizontal line, that will add more columns, as you can see in our document. And as you go down, that will add more rows to your table. And that is how you can insert a table quickly in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.